Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. In today's video, y'all just gonna be hanging out with me today, a little chit chat, and I'm also gonna take you guys upstairs so that we can just organize the main bathroom upstairs. It's gonna be a quick organizational video, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys the couch that just got delivered this week, and it was damaged. Most of the stuff I've been ordering, for some reason, things haven't been up to par, but they sent out a technician to fix one of the legs of the couch, and then he ended up taking it yesterday, but he returned it back today because we put a rush on it. And so it was very nice of him just to accommodate us and to bring it back this morning. So I'm going to be showing you guys the couch. So like I said, I don't have a lot of things right now, but definitely working on it. Everything is definitely not housed yet, so there isn't like a designated space for every single thing. So we're still trying to figure that out as well. So that comes with just the move as well. A lot of times when we see videos, we expect videos to be kind of like popping up really quickly, when people move in, and then you see the furnished house tour and everything like that. So that's how it goes. You have to order things, you have to wait for things. There's a whole lot of in between. So right now, y'all just gonna be hanging out with me. I'm gonna get a little bit of lunch going for the kids before they bother me. Right now they're hungry, and I'm gonna get some pasta sauce ready. I'm actually in my kitchen, so excuse the mess. Yeah, so this is just a hangout video and a chit chat.
Okay, so y'all know how they say that representation matters, on the screen or whatever it is that the platform, so representation matter. So I came out here on YouTube, haven't been here not too long ago, but I have been watching YouTube and videos on YouTube a lot about motherhood lifestyles and motherhood. And that's what really kind of like got me watching different videos on YouTube, because I wanted to learn different things from different mothers. And I started noticing a patterns of like the moms that were posting things. And I started to say to myself, well, started taking what was good for myself and also leaving behind what wasn't good for myself, what wasn't applicable to me. And so I said to myself, you know what? I should start a YouTube video, because I'm a different mom. I don't necessarily look like your average mom, YouTuber mom that is, doing so well, who, in the motherhood, I guess the motherhood category, where we would watch a lot of like children's stuff and things like that. A lot of the moms don't necessarily reflect my views and don't necessarily look like me. So I was like, hey, let me start a YouTube video so that I can also share and have maybe like a group of moms that can relate to my category as well. I'm a young mom. I'm a Christian. I have different values and belief. I'm an African of African background. I'm Congolese. My babies eat fufu, and so far the babies I've been seeing, they eat different foods, Not that my babies don't eat pasta or anything like that, but I was like, it would be nice to see, more moms like me also doing YouTube videos. I know now there's a lot more people coming on the platform, sharing, and it's very nice to see. And so I thought, hey, why not me? I could share as well. I bring different experiences in life. I bring different testimonies and how the Lord has helped me through so many different things. And I was like, if I can put that together in a video and encourage one mom somewhere, that would be an awesome thing to do. It's a platform that we often don't realize the power that it has. We can literally share something and encourage something and lift up somebody, rather than use these platforms just to come on here and judge people and use it for all the wrong reasons. But here it is, we have the power and the ability to reach people and the ability to come together as a community and actually do something great, you know? So I was like, I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of that positive change, you know? So I was like, hey, and that's why I started my YouTube video. I want my daughter to be able to see that there are Christian moms out there that practice Christianity, you know what I mean? And are, you know, vocal about it. So the quick lunch is ready. As you can see, there's certainly somebody I never have to call to the table when it's ready. And I always have to call Hope.
We are thankful to feed. Lord, we are thankful to eat it. Lord, in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Okay, guys, so let's start off with a table. This is the table I got it from Wayfair. Not really a fan of it. It's small, but we decided to keep it anyways. And I'll work with it. So I'll let you guys know why later. Yeah, so this is the table. And this is the couch that that just got delivered. I got it from the Bricks. Yes, it has another seating space right there where I'm putting my hand right there that we can put in so that we can make that side longer, but I wouldn't because of the wall. So I just kind of like compressed it a bit just to make it fit the whole space. But I like it. It's comfortable. So moving on to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom that we're going to be doing like a slight organization. I'm just pretty much bringing in the stuff that was in the box in the bathroom. So just to like kind of like have a space for it, right? I've had things in the box since I came. We've just been picking at things, but I haven't had like a space for everything. So right now I'm just doing a quick sweep of the bathroom so that I can just lay the carpet on the floor. So the curtain that you see right there, I got the curtain from HomeSense. Yes, I got the curtain from HomeSense. And the reason why it's not really like a deep clean is because it was already cleaned already. I like to keep my bathroom quite maintained so that I don't have to always do like deep clean like all the time. So it's like maintained throughout. And when I do deep clean, it's only like once like a week. So throughout like the week, it's more kind of like maintaining of the space. So now I'm just laying down this a rug right here. It doesn't slip. So I got the rug at Walmart. My husband actually picked out this rug. Yeah, so I'm just filling out like my my products into the two drawers that I have there. I don't really have a lot of counter space, so I try to like minimize like the amount of stuff that I'm kind of bringing in, because I'm just using up the space that I have, and I try to maximize the space that I have as much as possible. So I've already divided like, you know, for like body lotions and body stuff and face stuff, I try to put it at the top, and then the bottom drawer was mainly like hair stuff and so on. And now for the part of the bathroom, a lot of times I find this part is a little bit hard to like maximize. So I got this clear shelving thing off of Amazon. If you follow me on Instagram, you would like more likely see some of my unboxing reels that I do post of like the little things I pick up off of, whether it's Amazon or when I shop throughout the week, when I'm shopping for the home. So I will be posting a little bit more of those on my Instagram, just so you know where I've purchased them from. So this one I got off of Amazon, this clear one right here. It was just to help me with kind of like maximizing the space here. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm probably going to be switching it out to find something that's slightly taller, that may have maybe 3 or 4 tiers, because I feel like I could probably get away with like maybe like 2 more tiers, and this one doesn't come as high. but I don't really have like a lot of like product like cleaning products to go down there. So I only have my Windex for the window right there, and then my all-purpose cleaning, which I use on both the tub and the toilet, and then my Lysol wipe, which I love to use on the sink and sometimes just the toilet, just to do a quick wipe. And that is the mouthwash. So I don't really have like a lot of counter space, so I'm trying to maximize under here as much as possible. And like other toiletry things, I'm going to be putting it in this tray here, but I'm going to try to look for one that has 4 tiers that I could probably get away with it from what I'm seeing here in this shot here. So I think I can probably get away with it. It is finally good to be housing things and finding a space for everything. You know, these little things, it's very important just to keep yourself organized. And especially when you're not working with a large space, if you kind of just start organizing and maximizing what you have. And also, it just looks aesthetically pleasing. You're not over cluttered, and, you know, your thoughts aren't going all over the place simply because you have a well organized space to work with. There are still a few things I still have to get done in this bathroom, which I'm going to be working on. Here I'm just testing out the functionality of the drawer, if I can open it easily, pull out things easily, so I know what adjustments I need to make for next time. And just gonna put the soap and the hand wash right there for now. I don't have the right containers that I had for them yet, so I need to unbox those and figure them out. And I also need to get like a paper towel holder, which I haven't located. I'm probably going to be ordering another one from Amazon. This here is supposed to be going in the tub just to house the body washes in the tub. This little piece right here, my sister-in-law gave it to me, and I love it. It's super functional, and this is where it's housing a few other things. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be switching out the things that are in there, but right now that's what it's holding. I just need to hang that. And what else? So the carpet is from Walmart. I had told you guys that. And these are the color scheme that on the curtain that I was actually working with around the home, these neutral ones. So the little cleaner thing there I got from IKEA. And this right here, the toilet paper holder, I got from HomeSense. This planter I got from IKEA. The little pot here as well, the little white pot, I also got that from IKEA. So my idea for this space right here is simply to kind of just make sure that it is functional. It is functional. So I'm just checking again. So I have a little bit more space here. I'm definitely going to try to add. So now you see how everything is just kind of like tucked in. Everything looks kind of like organized, like the extra like toothbrushes and stuff like that is right there. It's easy accessible. So yeah, that's what I have going right here. It's working. So my idea here right now, what I'm trying to do with the space is just hang everything that needs to be hang. I love that how this cabinet thing has like a marble kind of continuation on there, but it's slightly different. So this is what it's looking like right now. Not bad, not bad. I put this a Walmart door hanger right here simply because I haven't installed like the ones on the wall yet. I want to put them like right there, and so that I can put some towel there. So I haven't done that yet, so we're going to be doing that. So we have a couple of hanging things here to do. The carpet really feels nice. It's like a runner, and it's like a good length. I didn't even know that they had these now. It was like a great idea. Last time I had a runner in here, and that runner I got it off of Amazon, but things have changed and I'm now refurnishing. Oh, that's my little stepping stool. So we use that every morning for the kids so that they can step up and brush their teeth. So these shelves here I got off of IKEA. My idea is just to kind of like hang them right there. I have 3 of them that I got. I want to hang them right there so I can like maximize the space right here and put things on there. Like I want them to look decorative, but I don't want them to be all like just decorative things. I want them to have like functionality to it. So I want to put like, cottons and like, Q-tips and things like that in like little jars and then put them on top of those shelves. So that was pretty much it for the bathroom. And then we just headed on out to the park with the kids so that they can get a little bit of fresh air. It was a 30-minute that ended up going into like an hour because we went for a walk the last 30 minutes. And yeah, that was it for our day.
Okay guys, so that is it for this bathroom little update. And this is so far what we've done with the space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.